So if we have the square root of 3 times the square root of 3, we know that this is the same as writing the square root of 3 times 3, or the square root of 9. Now, when we are simplifying radicals, we're just going to use the positive square roots. We're not going to worry about the negative square roots. We know that the square root of 9 is going to be plus or minus 3, but we're just going to keep this as positive 3 when we're simplifying radicals. So we can safely say that the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is just going to be 3. If we have the square root of 5 cubed, we can write this as the square root of 5 squared times the square root of 5. Now this is just breaking this up from exponent laws. So I know that the square root of 5 squared is going to be 5 from the properties that we looked at from the previous example. And so I'm going to be left with 5 root 5. And because the square root of 5 doesn't work out nicely to a whole number, we're just going to keep that as a radical. If I have the cubed root of 7 and I'm putting it to the exponent 5, again, I'm just going to break this up into two terms. So I'm going to have the cubed root of 7, and this time I'm going to put it to the cubes, or the power of 3, and I'm going to multiply this by the cubed root of 7 squared. So again, just breaking up that original exponent there. Because it's the cubed root now, the cubed root of something cubed is just going to be itself, so 7, and I'm going to be left with the cubed root of 7 squared, but I can write 7 squared as 49.